Hi, my name is Willem Flack. I'm the CEO of iClean Facility Services. We've been in business about 21 years. Thank you for watching the video first as instructed in the ad. That already puts you on the short list because many people won't do that much. Let me tell you who and what we are looking for. We are looking for an exceptional account manager. Now, how do you know if you're an exceptional account manager? Well, let me tell you 3 reasons you shouldn't apply for this job unless you are an exceptional account manager. And how you know if you're not an exceptional account manager is through answering 3 questions. Number 1, am I after a 9-to-5 job? We don't work 9 to 5. We're in the cleaning industry. Sometimes we have to be out in the evening to work with our cleaners or to train them or to manage them. Sometimes we start contracts on weekends. So if you were looking for a 9 to 5 job, then this probably isn't the right job for you. The second reason you shouldn't apply is if you don't like being held accountable. Numbers rule, period, is one of our core values. I'm a really big believer in keeping score. The great Melbourne Football Club at the moment, I love looking at that scoreboard on a regular basis, and I keep score on my own goals and my own progress as well. And we're looking for an account manager who takes that same attitude to their work and to their life in general. If you're asking yourself, well, what can I get on the job? This is probably the job for you. We're looking for people who are asking the question, what am I becoming in this job? What am I becoming at iClean? Because we're all about becoming better versions of ourselves. That's what our philosophy is here. We want to be better and better at what we do. There's a great majority of people out there who are quite happy to be average, and that's okay. If you're happy to be average, I don't have an issue with that. My definition of average is bottom of the top of the crap. It's not far from mediocre, and I promise you there's a lot of mediocre managers out there. And if you're happy doing that, that's great, but then you probably shouldn't apply for this job. And thirdly, the reason why you shouldn't apply for this job is if you're a seagull manager. Now, let me explain that one. In the cleaning industry, as in a lot of other industries, there's a lot of seagull managers. Now, seagull managers are people who essentially ignore their workers until something goes wrong. Then they tend to become seagulls. They fly in, they crap all over everybody, they make a lot of noise, and then fly out and expect performance to improve. And you and I both know that doesn't happen. Our focus on managing people or leading people is very much on catching them doing things right. It's another one of our core values. So if you're any of those 3, you're looking for a job, you don't like being held accountable, and you're a seagull manager, you probably shouldn't apply for this job. Now, after all that, if you believe you are the exception, in other words, you're that 5% in the population that we're looking for, rather than the 95% who are average or mediocre, then please apply, because I'd like to have a talk to you. Now, please don't send me one of those generic dear hiring manager, dear/sir, madam/ whatever. My name is Willem. It's WILLEM. Please send me a personal cover letter with your resume. Anyone who doesn't send me a personal cover letter doesn't get through to the next stage of the interview. So please send me a personal cover letter explaining why you think you'd be one of the 5% and why you'd be a good fit for this job. If you want bonus points, send me a video like this one. That'll really get you into the interview without any problem at all. So there you go. I would love to hear from you. We are looking for exceptional people because we like to be an exceptional cleaning company. I'd like to hear from you very soon.